So you're meeting with the foreign advisor, and what are the issues you talked about? Also the unresolved issues. If I will ask you, did you really want to solve all those issues, including 1971?
It is indeed a great pleasure for me to be here, and we had wonderful meeting with my brother, advisor on foreign affairs, brother Tawheed, and we had covered a wide range of areas: trade, economy, investments, mutual cooperation on security, defense, all sorts of areas under the sun. And we had unanimity of view. We did not have any difference of opinion, which is a very healthy thing. So we also signed today one agreement and 5 MOUs. Total 6 documents have been signed, and I think it's a great beginning that people holding diplomatic and official passports between Bangladesh and Pakistan would not require any visa. So this agreement has been signed. This would add more frequency of the official of the government of Pakistan and officials of the government of Bangladesh to visit each other without undergoing the formalities. As for the visas, common visas for the common citizens of both countries, they have already been, facilitated. Pakistan has already, made it very fast, visa on arrival or visa, 24 hours processed.
বাংলাদেশের প্রথম ইমিউনিটি বুস্টার সমৃদ্ধ ফ্যান্টাস্টিক হ্যাপি এনার্জি বিস্কিট.
So we had a great meeting, and so far my visit, and I'm grateful for the great hospitality and the welcome which has been accorded to me and my colleagues in the delegation by government of Bangladesh, people of Bangladesh, and my brother counterpart, the Foreign Office of Bangladesh. So we resolved to work together in unison with each other, as well as on the multilateral forums. We'll be working together. We already meet fairly frequently on the international forums, and tomorrow we both will be in Jeddah for the emergency meeting of the Council of Foreign Ministers, inshallah. So that shows that the scope and the possibility of doing good for the two peoples of the two countries is tremendous. There is a lot of complementarity which is possible between our two economies and the intermediary goods. So we are working together, to reach a new height in our economic trade relationship. Your question about
unresolved issues, that is includes 1971.
My dear brother, in 1974, first time that issue was resolved in writing. The document is historic and is available in both countries. And after that, General Musharraf came here, and in a very open and candid manner, he actually addressed that issue. And I think between a family, between brothers, once this is done, even Islam tells us to clean your heart. So I think let's move forward. We have to work together. We have a bright future in this. So you see, this has been done actually, and the issue was resolved twice. 1974 and then early 2000 when General Musharraf visited, and he told the entire nation, on behalf of the entire nation of Pakistan, to the entire on behalf of Pakistan to entire nation of Bangladesh. So I think now what a religion, what our Islamic teaching, what the Holy Quran, what the Sunnah of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam tells us, then you should have cleanest heart and move together. And we are a family, and we should work together. There is a great potential that we should serve. Me, my brother Tawheed, and the entire team should work together to do as better as possible for the peoples of the two countries. So that's the agreement. That's what we are doing.